I feel more like a king now.
Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the exciting news of the EFF. The leader of Economic Freedom Fighters, Julius Malema, did fulfill his promise and gifted Abathembu King Buyelekhaya Dalingebo a brand new Mercedes-Benz SUV, and the car looks so amazing, guys. Congratulations are in order to the King of Abathembu. Watch this video and tell me your thoughts.
I'm feeling brand new.
Just like your car.
Feeling like a multi-millionaire.
Just like your car.
Just like the car.
You are happy.
Very happy. It's way above what I expected. This is something else. What a wonderful surprise. So grateful. I've been placed on top of the world. Thank you.
He's about to start now. The car is greeting his guest, of course. Yes, yes.
I feel more like a king now. There is no better way of being a king. There is no better welcome than this. This is the best. I'm so grateful. I'm the happiest man in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.